G'day DIY, how you going? Now, when you haven't got what you need, you make one up. I needed a wooden float to get down in here. I have given this slope. See how I protect and stop any mud going down. You use a sponge or a bottle or anything. A sponge works well. I happen to have a bottle that was the right size. Now I've got slope. What I'm doing is using the strip drain like so. My floor tile is going to be laid like that, so as I'm laying my tiles I put a daub of mud there and a daub of mud there, and I set this at the right level, at the right height I should say, just like that. All this gets waterproofed tomorrow. The water will run down there into that hole. It's falling that way, so it will all fall into that hole. This is sloping like so. That's got fall on it, like heaps. But it's only in a short distance and you have to. So then I'm going from my finger out to there. A glass screen is coming to about here, and they walk into their shower at this end, turn it on. I would have put that mixer over here, so when you walk in, but I didn't have a say, this was already done before I got here. It was already stuffed up. Anyway, if it was my shower, I would have the glass stopping there, walk in, turn your tap on there, your mixer, and then your water is coming down. It's nice and warm by the time you walk over and hop under it. Now you're turning it on and you're having to stand out of the road because it's bloody cold water. Anyway, I always recommend to people that that's where you put it, right there as you walk in. Now this is all going to be a level surface. Okay, that's a little bit out. Crusoe. That's better. Right, so that's a level surface. The glass sits on that and it falls down to there. This now, outside here, I just go to this height. That's my finished floor height. That's what I'm sticking down to. And then I'll be waterproofing the whole thing. So I'll just check this. It's slightly a couple of mil too high here, but that's all right. I would have got it out. So cool. I'll come back to you shortly. We'll see you. Bye.